Isang magandang gabi sa ating lahat, mga kaibigan. Sino naman nagsasabi doon na masaya, madali lang, radyo-radyo lang? This designation, alam nyo kasi, the most stressful. The tasking like this is the most stressful. Sino naman yung mga senior na nagmamagaling-magalingan dyan? Try to experience. At yung mga yung mga matitigasin, di ba? Try to experience, no? Kasi may nakakausap ako, no? May nakakausap ako, experience, no? Hindi ko sasabihin na ganito, ganun. I would like to invite you to experience this like this designation, like for example in operation, something in the office works. It is not easy. The most stressful is like this, no? Kaya yung mga nagsasabi ng ganun dyan, ng madali lang, yung mata, dali, pag sure, kita bugiro ra ba kaita bisag wala pa natin ng adian. I do not like to talk to be done na hindi po natin lalaman. Ang sa akin lang is one thing for sure, dapat we will experience na agian nato. It is because pag sasabihin natin ng ganun, madali lang yan, ganyan lang yan tinatrabaho, experience it. Kasi hindi natin masasabi na ganun. Tinuod ka nga bright, tinuod ka nga tibay ka, and then it's much better for you to hold, to man an office. Like for example, like this. Hindi natin anuhin kasi we have the same. Pare-pareho lang ho tayo ng mga trabaho as a tools of the government. No? Wala hong magaling sa atin dito. Walang the most brilliant among all. Kasi pag ginagawa mo dito, iniidit pag patungo sa itaas yan. But if you pretend to be the genius or the brilliant among all, and then experience it. Huwag tayo mananatili sa isang nasa isang kulungan lang ho tayo. Experience. If we want to know everything, just empty our glass. Kasi pag hindi natin malalaman, hihingi tayo sa mga taong may nakakaalam. But I would like to sa inyo na hindi po ito madali. Hindi po ito madali. Kung sa tingin ninyo madali ho ito, dali ra kayo, and then experience it. Stress, no? Bilar, you don't have enough sleep. You are the filter. At the same time, we are the speaking of an authority. If we are a radio operator, we are the driver of that communication in the certain station. Ganun ho yun. Kahit saan kayo magtanong, kahit may deployment plan pa yung isang istasyon na, without the driver of that communication, they will become nothing. Ganun ho yun. Totoo po yun kahit saan kayo magbabasa ng batas. Kaya hindi natin mamadaliin ang trabaho, hindi natin mamadaliin, hindi natin sasabihan ng ganun. Even junior in any offices, in any sections, even junior na nandun, just remain be loyal, faithful in our constitution. Respect them all. Hindi po ibig sabihin na senior ho kayo and you are the most powerful among all. We respect a seniority, but in terms of designation and tasking, like for example this, pag ikaw yung naka-onboard sa isang mobile or motor cops and then you are a senior, hindi na kita pwede tatanungin at saka pagsasabihan na to respond these kinds of incident. No, it is wrong. It is a biggest mistake ever in our life as a law enforcement officer. Kahit kayo magtanong, kung tutuhanin kayo ng radio operator and then you must be deal with that serious kinds of wanting in life. If you do not like to follow a certain dispatching order from the dispatcher, which is the radio communication or the radio communicator in the certain station, para malalaman nyo lahat. We don't like to be pretend here. Just